Hi everyone! It's Myra here. Today we're drawing a dollhouse. Let's sketch first and then color together. We'll begin with the roof and walls. Don't forget to draw with me. Now let's draw the bedroom. We'll add a bed, a side table, a night lamp, and a couple of drawers. Next is the living room. We'll draw a sofa, a table, and a green plant. Let's add a mirror too. It's a two-story dollhouse, so we need some stairs. Now we draw the kitchen. A fridge with 2 doors, a cabinet with a sink and tap, and an oven. Then we move to the baby room. A crib with a dream catcher. Lastly, the bathroom. A big bathtub, a shower, and a toilet seat. Yay! We finished the drawing. Let's color. First, we start with the bed. Pink headboard. Yellow pillows. Green mattress. Indigo bed frames. Indigo for night lamp. And green for pull-out drawers. Yellow for side table. Let's make the bed frame 1 shade darker. We will paint the crib with pink and blue. For bathtub, scarlet red. And yellow. Blue and green for the shower. Blue towel holder and orange towel. For toilet seat. Purple. And blue. Green. Now, living room. Light brown. Light blue. Green plant. Make it cactus-like. Red vase. Blue table. For sofa back, use yellow. And pink. Add some red hearts. And some stripes. Let's color stairs with green. And oven will be red and brown. And blue glass. Indigo cabinet. Yellow tap. And a fridge with pink door. And a blue door. Now let's color the roof. Start with blue. Then add bright yellow. Pink. Blue. Brown. Green. Indigo. Light yellow walls for bedroom. Indigo for living room. Green for baby room. Peachy pink for kitchen. Blue for bathroom. I would love to see the colors you're using. See you next time, and remember, less screen, more paper.